Any question?
I thought I heard you say that she can't give, Sadashi can't give, bhakti, whole, pure bhakti. So, but we under, so Sadashi can't
Yes.
give
Again, please.
bhakti in full.
Yes. Pardon.
So we know that Sadashi manifests in
Yes.
Chaitanya Leela as Advaitacharya.
Yes.
He's giving bhakti whole.
Yes.
So
Of course, that's right. Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu and Shri Advaitacharya is also having the manifestation, or he is also having the potentiality of Shri Shiv into him. So Shiv is Bhagavad Bhakt, no doubt. But in Sadashiv, as it is described in Shri Bharat Bhagavatamrit, that Gop Kumar went to Sadashiv, and he is very much attracted to Sadashiv also, because seeing the bull there, Nandishwar, as he is a cowherd boy, so he is attracted to that bull. And Shri Shiv is shows very much love for Shri Gop Kumar. Even then, Shri Shiv says that Gop Kumar, you should not live here, because this the environment of here, the atoms of this place is of salvation, mukti, and you do not want mukti, so you go away from this place, and then you will get your desired things. Yes, go to Brij. And he again came to Brij, and there, by chanting Shri Harinam, then he get Vaikuntha. Then he reaches Vaikuntha. So main thing is this, that Shri Shiv is also Bhakt, and Sadashiv also Bhakt. Normally we persons do not take Vaishnav, the prasad of Shiv. But where the Shiv and Narayan Tattva both are mixed, then sometimes we take prasad. That in Trambakeshwar, there is Vishnu Tattva is also there. In Gopishwar, Vishnu Tattva is, and Shri Shiv is in Gopi Bhav. So, some persons may take prasad of Shri Gopishwar, sometimes not even. So, it depends on his Guru Parampara. So, whatever his Gurujan is doing, that can be done. But if Vishnu Tattva should be there, if Vishnu Tattva is not there, then Shiva Nirmalya will not be taken. So, Shri Advaitacharya, here the question is that Advaitacharya is the incarnation of Mahavishnu, as well as Advaitacharya is incarnation of Rudra also. Even then, fundamentally, Shiv is Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu. He is the greatest Vaishnav. So, in this way, by praying Shri Advaitacharya, or by praying Shri Gopishwar Bhagavan also, we will get the bhakti in the lotus feet of Shri Radhika. So, that is permissible, and we can serve mainly on Shiv Chaturdashi. We serve Shri Gopishwar Bhagavan. Not every day. Even a Grahasti respects the demigods on various occasions. At the time of marriage or Yajnopavit, the Ganesh Pujan was also done there. But Ganesh Pujan is not essential for the Bhaktajan. On some special occasions, the bhakti of other demigods is performed in the same way, though Shiva is not different to Sri Vishnu. Even then, if Shiva and Vishnu are combined there in any form, then we will take the prasad of Shiv. Some person may take prasad of Shiv, anyatha. Otherwise, he will not take the prasad of Shiv. The Shiv is very great bhakta, and as bhakta, we will do the worship of Sri Shiv. But on a special occasion of Shivaratri, we will serve Shiv, not every day. That is not essential that every day we will do. It should be considered in the same way as a son that is in the lap of the mother. Mother is feeding him with his own hand. Daily, he feeds him with his own hand. But on the day of Annaprashan Sanskar, he invites a Brahman, a Purohit, and then Purohit feed him the Anna grain with mantra. So, mantra is not essential, but sometimes the mantra is used. Yashoda daily makes Shri Krishna with water, but at the day of Janmashtami or his birthday, Shri Yashoda make him and invites Shri Gargacharya or Shri Shandilya Muni, and with the Purohit, with Ved mantra, Shri performs the Abhishek of Shri Krishna. So mantra is not essential, but in daily life also, in Brija attitude also, sometimes mantra is used. In the same way, at the various day, Shiv Pujan is also done. And in Shivaratri, sometimes Sri Radhika went to serve Sri Shiv. And there she says that on the place of Sri Shivji, Shri Krishna is there, and Sri Radhika and Krishna both are meeting there also. So in this way, Shiv Pujan is not essential for we persons. On a very various occasion, we will serve Shri Shiv, and on the various occasion, we use as mantra, not the daily. Daily pujan is with the rag, and sometimes in the rag, the vidhi marg is also just joined, and to get a new enthusiasm for that, we use it as a ritual, and it is done, and it is a part of the rag bhakti. Any question? Any more? Yes. बोलो हाँ अच्छा कोई करे. Yes.
Maharaj, is there a pastime of how Gopeshwar Mahadev attained Gopi Bhav?
Yes. Shri Gopishwar Bhagwan came to Shri Vrindaji, and Shri Vrinda and Yogmaya. Gopishwar is actually fundamentally he is Vishnu, and the attraction of Shri Krishna is such that everyone is attracted to Shri Krishna. So Shri Gopishwar is also attracted, and Shri Gopishwar came in the shelter of Sri Brinda Devi and Sri Yogmaya. Gopishwar want to enter to see Ras, but he was not allowed previously. Then Sri Brinda Devi and Sri Yogmaya gave him the bhav, and seeing that he is quite impersonal at that time, he is not having his ego least, then Sri Yogmaya gave him Gopi Besh, and then he entered. But his entrance is as a heroine, not as a Manjari. Yes, and Gulcha also. Yes, in the yes. and Shri Parvati was there, and Shri Krishna asked, "Where is your husband?" And Shiv was there, and then Shri Shiv was given the Gopi Besh, and then he entered there. This is. Thank you. वृंदावन बिहारी अच्छा वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जताय गौर हरि जय जय श्री राधे कृष्ण।